To replace the spring, you're going to take this end, feed it through the slot, like so. Very simple to do. When it's on the back of this, the whole coil just rests in there. So you can see, just a metal coil just rests in that slot. This goes forward, goes in here. You now have it under tension. You're ready to put it back in. You see, this forward piece clips on. These other two have hooks. You have one piece that comes in here and fits into place. Take it back. You slide those two back sections in. And you press this down. So after you slide those two hooks onto the bars in the back, you're going to take this front piece, slide it underneath this acrylic gate, and then just look to make sure that that tab I showed you that goes towards the front is lined up in the hole underneath. Once it is, push down into place. It's snapped back in. It has a spring.